sorry. I think my parking lot is not good. But anyway, yeah, was just having a look here. This is what they call Maryborough Station. It's nice and cold weather. Yeah, so I'll show you guys. That's the iconic. I think they call that Maryborough. What is that station? Yeah, it's cool. Not really sure. Yeah, just trying to check this area. And yeah, it's really nice. I think my car is safe there. I'm not sure. So I'm walking around now here because I wanted to this area here. So let's see. Let's take a walk and join me. Oh, this is it's really nice. See, you can see it's nice. Today is Saturday and it's really quiet. No people. It's really peaceful. So let's take a look of this. Sabi guys, connect with your audience. That's how it is. And yeah, let's take a look. Yes, there are some iconic area here. So let's read. Oh, okay. So these two large wells were used. Let's take a look. It's really an adventure, isn't it? Yeah, I just take a photo of this and have it. Yep. And now let's go. So this is the iconic Maryborough Station. So this is the way. Yeah, railway station. I'm heading now about. And then later on I'll just turn around. That's the station, I think. And come around. Yep. Alright, so that's where we are now. I don't know if we are allowed to get in. So that's Maryborough Station. I think this is the platform. Okay, so this is built on the 1890. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, so this is commemorating Victoria Train Maryborough. Okay. Alright, so this is the station in Maryborough. Yeah. I think just curious. Alright. Shake off. Hello. That's the Maryborough Station Yard. So that's in 1886. Victorian Benjamin Fink and Alfred Cohen. Croquet Club. Let's take a look. This as well. Information. Alright. So this is it, guys. I have shown you a little bit of this iconic, one of the iconic historic place in Maryborough. So now I have to go back to my car. So see you again, and don't forget to watch my YouTube channel, Fem Filipina living in Australia, and I hope you enjoy seeing all my YouTube uploads. And sorry guys, but I'm not that professional. Just sharing, you know. Alright, so I'm in my car now. So that's it all for today, and bye. See you again.